Are you struggling to manifest anything in your life? Are visualization and affirmations not working for you? To fulfill any desire, your frequency must match that of your desire, and this can only happen when your mindset is right. If you are filled with fear or feelings of lack, you cannot attract positive things. To change your mindset, you must first distance yourself from negativity and negative emotions. As long as your mind is full of negative emotions, there will be no space to attract positivity. Today, we will discuss how to master your emotions and fill yourself with positivity. But first, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so and press the bell icon to receive such videos first. Every thought you have creates a pattern. Repeating the same thought or related thoughts forms a pattern, which shapes your mindset. Once this pattern is formed, it is difficult to break it. Let's try an experiment. For the next 10 seconds, do not think about a rose. Think about anything else, but not a rose. I bet that you couldn't help but think about a rose. This is how our mind works. It's designed this way, and you can't change it. If you try to control your mind, things will only get worse. Our mind works on auto mode. It has no pause or stop button. So, you cannot control your thoughts, but you can shift your focus. Your mind will focus on whatever you direct it to, and that will grow. Don't think that the more you think about a problem, the more likely you are to solve it. Overthinking has no solution. You must break this cycle and get out of this trap. When you are overthinking, change your mood and engage in a different activity, like going to the gym, dancing, going for a walk, or any task that distracts you. Students often say they can't focus on studying due to distractions. You need to distract your mind intentionally from negative thinking patterns to prevent them from forming. This may be difficult at first, but you need to make it a habit to avoid falling into the loop and creating negative patterns. You should also learn to replace your negative thoughts. For example, if you're unhappy with your job and feel undervalued, replace that thought with positive ones, such as thinking that your job is going well and everyone appreciates your work. If you keep repeating and feeling this, it will help change your mindset. Gratitude is also important. Be thankful for what you have. Gratitude helps you understand the value of things and brings positivity into your life. When you express gratitude, you feel fulfilled, which helps focus on positivity. Lastly, meditation can bring stability to your thoughts and peace of mind. Practicing meditation helps you control your thoughts and monitor them. These techniques, when practiced consciously, will help you attract positivity into your life. Understanding and breaking the negative cycle is crucial to changing your mindset and attracting what you want in life. Beliefs play a significant role in shaping your mindset. What you hear and see around you creates an image in your mind that becomes your reality. For instance, wealth is normal for the rich, but a dream for the middle class because of their upbringing and beliefs about money. In today's competitive world, we are taught to surpass others, which often starts at home with parents comparing their children to others, leading to self-doubt and negativity. The law of attraction is based on the principle that you become what you think, because every thought has a frequency. Negative thoughts attract negative outcomes, and positive thoughts attract positive outcomes. To break the negative mindset, you need to shift your focus. Instead of dwelling on what you lack, think about what you already have, such as good relationships, a good job, or anything else you value. This will make the negative aspects blur into the background. Next, set small goals and achieve them. This will release good hormones like dopamine, making you feel good and developing a positive approach. If you do this for 21 days, You'll find everything seems easier and you'll feel more confident. Then, focus on your main goal with a positive mindset and work towards it. Imagine every day that you have achieved it and feel the happiness it brings. This will attract the universe's help in making your dream a reality. Pay attention to your diet as well. Healthy eating, yoga, and exercise will make you feel more energetic and positive because a healthy body leads to a healthy mind. Lastly, stay away from negative people. If you follow the initial steps, you will become a positive-minded person. Avoid those who constantly bring you down, as they can make you revert to negativity. Changing your mindset will change your outlook on life, emotions, and thoughts. Breaking old patterns will allow new ones to form, changing your vibration and transforming your life. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive our videos first.